Do you want to log into your Cox Communication account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step with your host, back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Cox Communication account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for Cox Communications Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of Cox Communication. Now to log into your account, you can see this profile option. Click on it and then you can sign into your account. So go ahead and click my account. Click on I'm not a robot. It will take some time and you can see the login portal. This is the official login portal of Cox Communications. Go ahead and write down your user ID, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in or log into your Cox Communications account. Make sure the user ID and password are correct, otherwise you cannot log into your Cox account. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this eye icon. You can also click remember user ID and you will not have to write your user ID the next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or user ID or password, these are the two links you want to get through. If you are new and want to sign up, go ahead and click this link over here which says sign up today. So this was a video on how you can log into your Cox Communication account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.